Let's make a lemon-themed pizza pan sign. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we're starting with a pizza pan. I got mine from Dollar Tree, and I wipe it down. Then I'm going to add white chalk paint to the center of our pizza pan. Wipe off the edges, and then around the edges, I'm going to use my dauber, and I'm going to use this acrylic paint. It's yellow. You can use any paint, I would imagine. Go all the way around the edge, and I actually flipped it over and did the entire back in this lemon, almost like it's kind of made it look like a lemon, like the inside, you're seeing both the inside and the outside. I don't know. Anyways, let it dry. Then I flip it over and we're going to add some Mod Podge to the inside and the very inside edge of the pizza pan. Let that dry. Once that's dry, then you're going to add a napkin. Look at this napkin I got from Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. So make sure it's down to one ply. I always forget that part. So we're going to one ply it, and then we're going to add it to our pizza pan, and we're going to put a piece of parchment paper over it, and then we're going to iron it. This way is one of the best ways I know to get a napkin added to something without any wrinkles. And it works, for me, it works like a charm. And I also did the sides just so that it all was stuck down. Little maneuvering, but we get it. Then I have this little sign. My sis with Berkshire Pickers gave it to me. It's from Dollar General. And I'm just cutting off the hanger. And I'm going to add some Jenga blocks. Now this first Jenga block, the two side ones, I'm going to put them on the Jenga blocks on their side so that it is a little bit thicker, right? But then I'm going to do another Jenga block. And I'm going to do it flat side, right? And then we're going to put them on our little sign. Perfect, right? Okay. And then I'm adding some permanent glue, but I'm also adding some hot glue, and then we're going to add it to our pizza pan sign. And the reason why I did the Jenga blocks was so that the Home Sweet Home kind of popped out, because we're going to put flowers on it. I know. Before we do that, though, we're going to add some holes to the side. I'm using a crocodile, got it from Michael's, and then I just add a hanger with jute. Now I have these beautiful daisies from Michael's, and I'm just going to pop them in that well that we made with the sign. And then I'm adding some greenery. I think this greenery was from flowers. I think they might have been peonies, but they match the lemons. These lemons I got from Dollar General, and I think they were 50% off. I was so excited. So I added greenery and some of these lemons, and quit it right now. I mean, I don't know if you know this or not, but my thing is I love lemons and I also love daisies. This is like perfect. I added a little bit more greenery, but oh, look at how cute this is. I love it so much. Oh, I'm going to put it on my door, I think. So fun. If I had floral foam, I would have used it, but I forgot to buy it. So that's okay though. It worked. How fun. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you. Now it's your turn. Go make something pretty.